Good morning, dear students. I hope you all are well and fine at your home. So, before starting our class, let us take me a pledge. So, I commit to be vigilant and bear in mind at all times the risk to myself and my colleagues from COVID 19. I promise to take all necessary precautions that prevent the spread of this deadly virus. I promise to follow and encourage others to follow the key COVID appropriate behaviors, to always wear a mask, face cover, especially when in public places, to maintain the minimum distance of 6 feet from others, to wash my hands frequently and thoroughly with soap and water. Together, we will win this fight against COVID 19. So, after taking pledge, let us start our next exercise. So our next exercise is exercise 1.3. In this exercise, what we have to do, the first question is compare the following pairs of numbers. In comparison, we just have to check down which number is greater or which number is smaller. For example, there is first number 9456 and 94,670. We just simply can say that we just can simply see that the term having 94,000 is greater. So how we have to write it down? We just have 99,456 and 94,617. So we just have to write down 94,670 is greater than 9,456. Similarly to the rest of question. So moving to our statement question, first is a poultry farm sold 1,34,567 eggs in a year 2014 and this much eggs in 2015. How many more eggs did it sell in 2015? So simply what we have to find, a poultry farm sold this much eggs in 2014 and this much eggs in 2015. How much more eggs it sold in 2015? So we just have to subtract the number of eggs sold in 2015 from the number of eggs sold in 2014. That would be our answer. So I'm not writing the statements, it is for only to let you understand the question. You have to write the statements as they have written in your written assignments. So I'm just doing it in the short form. So firstly, eggs sold in 2014 are 1,34,567. Next is eggs sold in 2015 are 2,45,671. So we just simply have to subtract it. 2,45,671 subtract 1,34,567. So here it is 1 and here it is 7. So we cannot subtract 1 from 7. So we just take the carry. It becomes 11. So when here it is 6. When we subtract 7 from 11, the answer is 4. 6 from 6, that is 0. 6 from 5 is 1. 5 from 4 is 1. 4 from 3 is 1. Again 2 from 1 is 1. So how much more eggs sold in 2015? 1,11,104. This is our answer. Next question is, the population of city was 56,78,981 in the year 2005. If the population of city become 98,76,005, now what is the increase in population? This is the similar question. We just have to subtract the current population from the previous population. And next question, An automobile company sold 21,567, 18,549 and 31,987 cars in 3 consecutive years. How many cars are sold in those? We just have to simply add these all, that will be the total number of cars sold. Next, in an orchid produced 42,345 mangoes in the year 2017. Out of them, 8,765 fruits were damaged by insects. How many fruits were collected in good condition? So firstly, we have to write down total number of fruits. What are the total number of fruits? 42,345. How much the foods are damaged? Damaged fruits. How much are the damaged? 8,765. What did they ask? How many fruits are collected in good condition? So how to find which fruits are collected in good condition? Just subtract the damaged fruit from the original fruits. Just subtract it. When we subtract 5 from 5, that is 0. We cannot subtract 4 from 6 just taking the carry. 14 subtracted from 6. When we subtract 6 from 14, the answer is 8. Here it is 2. We cannot subtract 2 from 7. So just taking carry from here. 12 from 7, 5. Here it is 1. We cannot subtract 1 from 8. So just taking carry. When we subtract 11 from 18, the answer is 3 and 3 itself. So how many fruits are collected in good condition? 3,33,580 fruits are collected in good condition. What is our next question? A garment factory made 20,500 shirts in December. If made 9,500 shirts in January, how many shirts did the factory produce in January? So it is having, we are having a factory created this much, a factory made this much shirts in December and made this much shirts more. We just simply add 9,500 to 20,500. That would be the number of shirts produced in January. Next is, people of a district started the tree planting program. If they plant 9,812 saplings in September, 800 or 18,456 in October, 14,003 in November, how many saplings did they plant in all? So this is the similar question to the fourth one. We just have to add the terms. That would be our answer. I hope this exercise is easy and you are able to understand this exercise. So if you have any doubts, firstly check your written assignment, and then if you have still any doubts, just talk to me in your face-to-face interaction. Thank you. Have a nice day.